Why he has become so jittery, I don't know. Since the formation of the ADMK and the BJP alliance, Honorable CM has become very jittery. And instead of talking about their alliance, instead of talking about the welfare of the Tamil Nadu people, he is talking only about the BJP and ADMK alliance. He is telling, no shock can control me. But I want to remind them, 1976, for the corruption charges once, and again for the anti-national activity, DMK government has been dissolved. 76, it has been dissolved by KK Shah, Honorable KK Shah, for corruption charges. And I am asking, he is telling he will be out of control of Delhi. I am challenging that DMK will be out of control of the people, out of control of Tamil Nadu itself. Because now they have written their history of defeat. He's become so jittery and he's telling he won't bow down to the Delhi. I am asking, during their rule, DMK, lakhs and lakhs of Tamils were killed. He bowed to Delhi and he did not prevent it. He is talking about the state autonomy. When they were as the part of the central government and more than 5 ministers were there, he didn't even utter a single word about autonomy, bowing to the Delhi at that time. And now they are talking about the concurrent list of education, taking to the state list. They didn't even utter a single word about it. During emergency period only, it was shifted from state to central. They didn't utter a single word about bringing the education to the state concurrence list, bowing to the Sonia Gandhi and Manmohan Singh. He was bowing all the time, and now he is pretending as if he is very brave. People know that as the anti-people government is there, and today he has introduced the Vishwakarma scheme.